Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with Brevo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here we can get started accessing everything we need. And right here at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can use for managing our store and our website. And what we're looking for is the plugin section. You're going to click on the plugin section right here. That's going to open up this plugins marketplace where we can go and take a look at all the plugins that are available to us to run our store. As you can see, we have our WooCommerce plugins and so on. What we're going to do is use the search bar right here at the top of the screen. Using the search bar, you're going to go ahead and search for Brevo. So let's go ahead and search for Brevo. As you can see, once you search for it, there is going to be a couple of options you can choose from. Here we have the official plugin Brevo for email, SMS, web push, chat, and more. So if you want to go ahead and use this to turn your WordPress site into a marketing powerhouse, you're going to go ahead and be able to install it by installing it using the install button right here at the right side of the screen. So as you can see, this is included in the business plan and it's the best-in-class hosting, and 24/7 expert support is offered to you. So once you install it using the button right here, it's going to appear right here in your plugin section where you can access all your plugins and you can open it up and get started setting it up for your WooCommerce store and to go ahead and use it for marketing in your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.